Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we are going to find the value of this given radical problem, fifth root of 125 power 9 plus 25 power 8 divided by 625 power 8 plus 5 power 21. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. So let's go ahead and get started with the solution. And here's our very first step. To make things simple, let's focus on this radicand. And here I have copied down this radicand. Now we can see 125 could be written as 5 power 3. 25 could be written as 5 power 2. And 625 could be written as 5 power 4. This problem is going to look like 5 power 3 and then whole power 9 plus 5 power 2 and then whole power 8 divided by, then it's at the denominator is going to be 5 power 4 and then whole power 8 and then plus 5 power 21. And now let's recall this power rule. According to this rule, we are going to multiply out all these nested exponents. So therefore, on the numerator, we're going to have a 5 power 3 times 9 is 27 plus 5 power 16 divided by, at the denominator is going to be a 5 power 32 plus 5 power 21. Now we can see in the numerator 5 power 16 is in common, and likewise in the denominator over here 5 power 21 is in common. So therefore we are going to take factor out 5 power 16 outside, and inside this parentheses we are going to have 5 power 11 plus 1 divided by, at the denominator we're going to factor out 5 power 21 outside, and inside parentheses we're going to have a 5 power 11 plus 1. And now we can see these factors 5 power 11 plus 1 on the numerator and the denominator, they cancel each other out. So therefore we are ended up with this simplified fraction 5 power 16 divided by 5 power 21. And now let's recall this quotient rule. According to this rule, we are going to subtract these exponents. So therefore, I am going to write down 1 divided by, I'm going to subtract 16 from this big number 21. So that is going to give us 5 power 5. So thus we can see that this radicand has been simplified to 1 divided by 5 power 5. And here's our next step. Now we are going to find the value of this whole radical, and we know the value of this part turns out to be this one. So this could be written as fifth root of 1 divided by 5 power 5. We break this one down. This could be written as 1 divided by fifth root of 5 power 5. Now we can see that this fifth root and this 5 power, they undo each other. So we are ended up with simply 1 over 5. And that's our simplified answer. So thus our simplified answer turns out to be a 1 over 5. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.